Don't do that, Pretty Dan. Don't blood clot do that. When time the popcorn situation come out, oh, your blood clot eat popcorn, you come send me matches and I come send me gift and all of a sudden, me a or and me a this and me a that and me use people. Go suck your mother, Pretty Dan, and come off of my blood clot name. Dirty bumbo clot. Everybody bumbo clot business I want come jump on. You're two-sided no bumbo clot. Move your two-sided bumbo clot because the fucking girl don't like you either. And when time used to play matches with you, the girl used to tell me how she ate in a bumbo clot. You come tell me how me use the girl. The girl don't bumbo clot like you. She don't like you. And this is why she don't like you. How this? So why not come over here and come tell me, say, Pretty Dan, why every time when I always come for my life and I tell me, say, people are bring me down and then I tell me, say, I like people I tell. So what Pretty Dan say about me then? When you say Pretty Dan say me I use a girl. What is it that Pretty Dan is saying there? Me want green card? If me do want green card. No, if I wanted green card, right? Anybody with sense, right? Anybody who wanted a green card, right? You see how no mix up? I'm going to lock off the live in 2 minutes. I'm going to come back for you. I'm going to deactivate my page. She say you use the girl, right? It's a lie. Wanna keep... If I wanted green card, right? And I wanted to use this person. You see this ring where this girl buy give me, see it here? You see that ring here? It costs a lot of money. I don't know how much it costs, but it does cost a lot of money. If I was using this girl for a green card and using this girl for money and things, anybody with sense wouldn't know, say, me would have stayed with this girl and there with her for her things same way. If it was a case where me had there with this girl for things and me want green card so bad, me would have pretend and actually make she marry me and actually bring me up if that was the case. You are supposed to be engaged to somebody. People are not looking on the idea that this person went behind my back and gave my friend money and was calling my friend and offering my friend money and things, you know. Una tell me, say me use a person, but in truth and honesty, this girl fuck her own herself. And then I come to una and a ball to una. And then now come try to come bring me down and want me to feel bad about this whole situation. If you want somebody to engage and marry to, you don't go and do certain things and then expect say them are going to forgive you and constantly forgive you and constantly forgive you and constantly forgive you. I'm human being too. And then under everybody comment section, I talk about, oh, me do your things and me do your that. What you do to me? Tell the people them what you do to me. How much fake page you make and threaten your own self. For me, get your attention and come out for my life. Every time you see me live, yeah, make fake page to come and taunt your own self so that me can come up alive and come attend to you. These are things that girl did. She used her own money and tried to buy my love and tried to use it to manipulate me and control me, but it did not work. So don't tell me that me use this girl for her things. She used her own self for try to control people and played herself in the situation. That is what had happened. You don't use money for control people. Me don't want nobody come tell me say, oh, you do this or you do that. No relationship don't perfect, but you don't do certain things. When you come on to friendship and them stuff, you don't cross that line. You better if you go to the road, go do that with one girl that I don't know, but you did it with my friend. So who are you doing? Who else are you doing these things with? Who else? You're trying to embarrass me for people laugh off of me. Nobody no come tell me say me use this girl. No relationship don't perfect, but don't you ever dare do stuff like that behind my back. Don't you dare do that on top of the things that you do. Months and months and on top and it was too much. It was too much. It's too much. It's too much. So people are going to tell me, say me, do you want green card? Brother, the whole time I was engaged and this girl was in Jamaica, every minute she talk about how fast me want for marriage. Me want to get married. Me say to her, say, look here, me no know. I think we need to take it slow because when she engaged to me, you know, guys, we had a talk and she asked me how I feel about her. I tell her, I say, the feelings when I did have fear before, it's not exactly the same because of the things that you did. I was surprised when she proposed to me, but at the same time, I didn't wanted to actually turn it down for her to feel humiliated. And on top of that too, me they actually want to try work out something with her. I wanted to try to work out something, regardless. Because me say, you know what? I've came this far. We go through so much, let me just try and make it work. Let me try and make it work. I stop wearing the ring weeks now. I don't know if nobody will watch me. But a long time I take off a ring off of my finger long before this. When I realize, say, this just not make no sense. And then the ring, I suck my energy. The ring scratch my finger. I take it off of my finger because I say this ring is not coming from a good fucking place. This ring is not coming from a good place. Nobody cannot blame me for like that. That girl is problematic and she's dangerous. Nobody can blame me for that.